Hi, I'm Karyn Buxman, neurohumorist. If I could show you how to be more entertaining, more influential, and have a better quality of life without breaking the bank, without breaking a sweat, or without eating kale. Now, you can eat kale if you want to. It doesn't do anything for me. But if I could show you how to do that, would you be interested? Oh, awesome. I'm hoping that you already took the opportunity to watch the video on Humor Quotient, or HQ, where you took a look at not only your sense of humor or humor appreciation, but also how effectively and frequently you applied humor toward a desired outcome, because that's what this is all about. There are so many different reasons why you would want to apply humor, but they fall under three primary purposes or categories. So let me go over these briefly, and then in future videos we're going to take a deep dive. But the first one is entertainment. The second one is influence, and the third one is well-being. So let's look first at entertainment, because who doesn't love to laugh? Who doesn't love to have a good time? And you can apply humor and make somebody else feel good and have no other ulterior motive. Just that. I mean, and that's really what most people think about when they think about humor. They think about laughing and about feeling good, and that in and of itself is awesome. You were really good at this when you were little, being funny. Then people started giving you messages, wipe that smile off your face is gonna freeze like that, or act your age, which was really a dumb thing to tell a kid. But I digress. Okay, so you were socialized to kind of start pushing that down, but you can get back in touch with that if you want to be funnier. Now, as I mentioned in a previous video, the more you practice seeing funny, the easier it is to practice being funny. And in one of the upcoming videos, I'm going to give you some tips, techniques, some hacks on how you can be funnier or leverage other people's humor so that you could just entertain them. Okay, the second one, influence. Man, whether you are a high-performing leader or sales professional or entrepreneur or service provider, humor can help you expand your influence. This is great stuff. Whether you're persuading, whether you're teaching, whether you're negotiating, whether you are diffusing a difficult situation, you can use humor to your advantage. And so in an upcoming video, I'm going to take a deep dive and show you how to do that. So stay tuned. The third is well-being, and well-being encompasses your health, encompasses resilience, and even spirituality. Psychoneuroimmunology is now supporting the fact, what we've known since biblical times, and that is a merry heart doeth good like a medicine. My friend Dr. Lee Burke from Loma Linda, who is one of the leading researchers in this field, said if we could take what we now know about laughter and bottle it, it would require FDA approval. Oh my gosh, do you know anybody with diabetes or heart disease or memory problems or stress or memory problems or depression or memory problems? Okay, I know those conditions are no joke, but they can be a laughing matter because humor has been shown to help every single one of those conditions. In terms of your resilience, humor helps build your bandwidth, and lowers your stress. And in terms of spirituality, every major religion has spoken about the importance of joy and laughter. So in a future video, we're going to go into more detail about that. But I want you to start thinking about what could you apply humor towards? What would you have as a desired outcome? And we're going to talk about how you can use humor to help you successfully achieve that desired outcome. This is all about humor by choice, not by chance. I'm Karyn Buxman. Thanks for watching.